14 problem, 10.2 exercise completed. Next, 15th question based on section form. Very important. Section form. First of all, section formula. It means section formula. So simple. The joining vector AB or divides internally and externally, or divides internally, externally. So first internally, or divides, first condition, or divides internally. M is to N ratio. R bar equal to formula. R bar equal to M B bar plus N A bar divided by M plus N. This is formula. So next, externally, R divides externally. M is to N ratio. So R bar equal to M B bar minus N A bar divided by M minus N. It's proof. So simple, easy. So first of all, internally. First we draw the diagram. It means like this. If you think it is y-axis, it is x-axis. So it is origin. So this is the vector. This is P, this is Q. P to Q vector. So P is the point, Q also another point. So OP is a position vector. OP is position vector. OQ also position vector. The R divides internally. R divides internally. So this is R position vector. Let OP bar equal to position vector OP bar equal to A bar, OQ bar equal to B bar, O R bar equal to small r. So this consider first take 2 points. First condition, take 2 position vectors OP bar equal to A bar and OQ bar equal to B bar. The second one condition, point R divides internally. M is to N ratio. Point R divides internally in M is to N ratio. So the position vector OR equal to R. OP bar, OQ bar, OR bar. Next, fourth condition. The point R divides internally M is to N ratio. M by N equal to m by n. This is also position vector. M by n equal to, this is m n ratio, either p to r tak m or to q tak n. So pr vector divided by rq vector. So here m rq vector equal to n pr. This is the condition number 1. Equation number 1. So simple. First we calculate by using triangular rq vector and pr from triangular OPR. OPR. PR vector equal to OR bar minus OP bar. So PR vector equal to R bar minus A bar. This is PR bar. Next, from triangle ORQ, RQ bar equal to OQ bar minus OR bar. RQ bar equal to B bar minus R bar. This one. So these both values put here equation 1. This is 2, this is 3. Put 1, 2 and 3 in 1. So what you get? M into this value, B bar minus R bar equal to N into R bar minus A bar. M B bar minus M R bar equal to N R bar minus N A bar. So minus you take this side, this minus you take that side. It means M B bar plus N A bar equal to R bar into M plus N. R is a common. So R bar equal to M B bar plus N A bar divided by M plus N. This is internally. The ratio was R bar equal to M B bar plus N A bar divided by M plus N. So simple. Here first we calculate M is to N ratio means M by N equal to PR by QR. Cross multiplication we get P into RQ equal to N into PR. So RQ means from triangle ORQ. RQ equal to OQ minus OR means B bar minus A bar. Next PR means R bar minus A bar. Put these two values here, you get like this. So M into these both, N into these both. So minus value take that side, minus value this, minus NA value take this side. It means M B bar plus NA bar equal to R bar into M plus N. So R bar equal to M B bar plus NA bar divided by this value take here divided by. Next, externally. Externally means this one. So if you think this is origin, y-axis, this is x-axis. If you think this is origin. Next, this is vector. This is P, this is Q. PQ vector. You continue up to R. Take this one. It is R. So OP is position vector, OQ also position vector, and OR also position vector. So OR. So this total value is small m. This ratio is small. Extended. So not internal, externally, it means now first condition, take two position vectors OP bar equal to A bar, OQ bar equal to B bar, take position vector OR bar equal to R bar. This is R bar. So next, point R divides externally with externally in MS to M ratio. It means M by N equal to PR vector divided by QR vector. So M into QR vector equal to N into PR vector. This is the condition. We calculate two vectors, QR vector and PR vector. So first of all, from triangle OPQ. So first one, PQ equal to PQ vector. Yes, triangle OPR. Now we take OPR. Here OPR. Right. So here first PR vector equal to OR vector minus OP vector is nothing but PR vector equal to R vector minus A vector. This is PR vector. Next, from triangle OQR. So QR vector equal to QR vector means OR vector minus OQ vector. QR vector equal to R vector minus A vector. Sorry, B vector. This one. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Put 2 and 3 in 1. So M into QR. QR means R bar minus B bar equal to N into, what is the value? R bar minus A bar. So M R bar minus N B bar equal to N R bar minus N A bar. It means, so R bar you take this side, it means M R bar minus N R bar, it is equals to minus M B bar, take that side. It means this one, take this side. Minus means plus M B bar minus N A bar. So what is the common value? R bar is common. M minus N equal to M B bar minus N A bar. So simple. R bar equal to M B bar minus N A bar divided by M minus N. This is R externally divides in the relation M is to N. R bar equal to M B bar minus N A bar divided by M minus N, like that. So first of all, we take this diagram. Next 3 steps. Afterwards, take the ratio M by N. M by N means PR means M units. This is N units extra. So m cross multiplication m into qr equal to n into rp. So put these two values r bar minus a bar, r bar minus b bar, equation 1. You get this equation. You multiply these both. You get this. This negative value you take this side and that side. This positive value take this side. R is a common. The remaining answer is this. The vector of a point R which divides the line joining two points P and Q whose position vectors are this P vector, this is Q vector respectively in the ratio 2:1 is nothing but m:2. So internally, externally. First of all, we calculate internally. Internally means first condition you take here R, just right. First P vector is what? OP bar, nothing but A bar equal to first I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Solution. OQ bar equal to B bar equal to minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Right. Next ratio m:1 equal to 2:1. Next, first condition R divides internally OR means small r bar equal to m b bar plus n a bar divided by m plus n. R bar equal to m value is 2. B bar means minus I cap. Here, listen here. So minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus 1 into I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap divided by 2 plus 1. R bar equal to minus 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap plus I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap divided by 3. So what value here? R bar equal to, so minus I cap j cap plus 4 j cap plus k cap divided by 3. It means R bar equal to minus 1 by 3 I cap plus 4 by 3 j cap plus 1 by 3 k cap. So this is internally divided vector R bar equal. Next of all, second, R divides externally. So simple. R bar equal to formula m b bar minus m a bar divided by m minus a. R bar equal to m value 2. Next b bar means minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap minus 1 into I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap divided by 2 minus 1. So R bar equal to minus 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap minus I cap minus 2 j cap minus 2 minus plus k cap divided by 1. R bar equal to, so here minus 3 I cap positive negative cancel plus 3 k. So this is externally, this is internally. Okay. So note the midpoint R of the vector joining the points P and Q. It means like this. It is P it is a Q. So this is R is midpoint. So midpoint is R bar equal to A bar plus B bar divided by 2. So find the position vector of the midpoint of the vector joining 2 points. So position vectors this OP bar equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap and OQ bar equal to 4i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. So midpoint R bar equal to A bar means OP bar plus OQ bar divided by 2. This is the formula. So R bar equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap plus 4i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap divided by 2. So R bar equal to 6i cap plus 4j cap plus 2k cap divided by 2. So R bar equal to, what is the common value? 2. 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap divided by 2 get cancelled, remaining your answer. It is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. This is your answer. So that the points A, B, C with position vectors A bar equal to this one, B bar equal to this one and C bar equal to this one, respectively, from the vertices of a right angle triangle. So these 3 points are vertices of a right angle triangle. It means it is a right angle triangle. It means, you know, the Pythagoras rule, hypotenuse square equal to base square into opposite square plus opposite square. So solution. So these are position vectors. So OA bar equal to 3i cap minus 4j cap minus 4k cap and OB bar equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. OC bar equal to I cap minus 3j cap minus 5k cap. So AB bar equal to OB bar minus OA bar. AB bar equal to, OB bar is nothing but 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap minus 3i cap minus 4j cap minus 4k cap. It means AB bar equal to 2i cap minus j cap. Just wait. Now you take this one plus. It means, so first one minus plus plus. Right. So AB bar equal to minus I cap minus means plus 3j cap plus 5k. This is AB. AB magnitude equal to square root of 1 plus 9 plus 25. It means AB magnitude equal to root 35. Next of all, BC. BC means OC minus OB. So BC equal to, so first OC. OC means I cap minus 3j cap minus 5k cap minus B minus 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. So BC bar equal to minus I cap minus I cap, next minus 2j cap, so plus, sorry, minus 6k cap BC. So BC magnitude is square root of 1 plus 4 plus 36. It means BC magnitude is root 41. Next, CA. CA means OA minus OC. CA equal to OA means 3 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 4 k cap, again minus OC, minus I cap minus plus 3 j cap plus 5 k cap. So CA equal to 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. CA magnitude equal to square root of 4 plus 1 plus 1. CA magnitude equal to root 6. So AB magnitude, BC magnitude, CA magnitude. So here just wait. Highest BC. This is BC, BC. So which is right angle? A is a right angle. So BC's magnitude whole square equal to AB magnitude whole square plus AC magnitude whole square, CA. So root 41 whole square equal to root 35 whole square plus root 6 whole square. It is equals to 41 equal to 40. So A, B, C are vertices of right angle triangle. So this is your answer. So same question, 10.3 exercise 17th question and example question 1, 12th example question. So three questions are same method. Prove the vertices of a right angle triangle.
Problem number 18th. In a triangle ABC, which of the following is not correct, not true? So ABC is a triangle, A to B vector, B to C vector, A to C vector. By using triangular law, AB plus BC equal to AC. So we know that AB plus BC equal to AC. So equal to AC. This is by using triangular law. So this value is AC bar plus direction change. Direction change means minus AC bar. So these both are cancelled. You get answer 0 bar. So first one is true. So second one, this value is direct AC bar minus AC bar. So plus AC bar minus AC bar get cancelled. It is equal to 0 bar. It is also true. So here its value is AB plus BC. AB plus BC means AC bar minus CA. CA means AC bar. So here plus, question wrong it is. So plus, this is also plus. It is equals to 0 bar, not equal to 0 bar. So it is incorrect, means not true. Next, so AB bar, its reverse means plus BC bar plus CA bar. So AB bar plus BC bar means AC bar minus AC bar plus AC bar minus AC bar get cancelled, 0 bar. So it is also true. Right. So third one is wrong. Right. Question number 19. If A bar and B bar are two collinear vectors, then which of the following are incorrect? So collinear means you know already B bar equal to lambda A bar. Collinear condition you know already B bar equal to lambda A bar. So it is correct by definition. So this is also correct. So by definition it is correct by definition. Right. So the respective components of A bar and B bar are proportional. Proportional means B1 by A1, B2 by A2, B3 by A3. So that is proportional. So it is also correct. Correct. It is correct. Next, both vectors are A bar and B bar have same direction but different magnitudes. Same direction but different magnitudes means same direction. Both the vectors A bar B bar have the same direction but different magnitudes. It means A bar equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap. So B bar equal to 4i cap plus 6j cap. A and B are same direction but different magnitude. But just different wait. Now we take these two values are 3, 2. But same direction but same magnitude. So it is incorrect. So 10.2x